today's video, we will talk about the brachial plexus. And what is brachial plexus? It is a network of the nerves which supplies the upper limb. And in the brachial plexus, we have to learn the 5 major points. What are the 5 major points? The first one is roots, second one is trunks, third one is divisions, fourth one is cords, and the last fifth one is the branches. So these are the 5 major points, and we have to learn this in this sequence only. So for this sequence, we have a mnemonic called the remember to drink cold beer, in which R stands for roots, T stands for trunk, D stands for division, and the C stands for cords, and the last B stands for branches. So this is a mnemonic to learn this sequence. Roots are the origin of the nerve rootlets which further forms this plexus. So there are 5 nerve roots, the C5, C6, C7, C8 and T1, which gives rise to the nerve rootlets. So these nerve rootlets form the trunk, the upper trunk, middle trunk and lower trunk. The upper trunk is formed by the nerve rootlets coming from C5 and C6, and the middle trunk is formed by the C7, and lower trunk is formed by the nerve rootlets coming from the C8 and T1. So this is about the trunk, and each trunk divides into 2 divisions called ventral division and dorsal division. So there are 6 divisions, and divisions forms the cords. The ventral division of the upper trunk and the middle trunk forms the lateral cord, and the dorsal division of all the trunks forms the posterior cord, and the remaining the ventral division of the lower trunk forms the medial cord. So these cords gives branches. So the lateral cords gives 3 branches, and we have a mnemonic for this, LML. First L stands for lateral pectoral nerve, and M stands for musculocutaneous nerve, and last L stands for lateral root of median nerve. And the lateral pectoral nerve supplies the pectoralis major, musculocutaneous nerve supplies the 3 muscles. What are 3 muscles? We have a mnemonic called BBC. First B is for brachialis, second B is for biceps brachii, and the C is for coracobrachialis. So this is the supply of the musculocutaneous nerve and lateral root of median nerve. So about the median nerve we will discuss in another video in detail. So let's talk about the posterior cord. Posterior cord gives 5 branches. What are the 5 branches? We have a mnemonic for this also. The ultra is a mnemonic. The U stands for upper subscapular, L stands for lower subscapular, T stands for thoracodorsal nerve, which is also known as nerve 2 latissimus dorsi. R stands for radial nerve, A stands for axillary nerve. So upper and lower subscapular nerve supplies the subscapularis and the teres major muscle, and thoracodorsal nerve or nerve to latissimus dorsi nerve supplies the latissimus dorsi muscle. Radial nerve supplies the triceps and the 12 muscles of the back of forearm, and radial nerve is the thickest nerve of the brachial plexus. So radial nerve is the thickest nerve of the brachial plexus. Let's talk about the medial cord. Medial cord gives the 5 branches. What are the 5 branches? The medial cutaneous nerve of the arm and forearm, these are 2 branches, and third one is the median pectoral nerve, fourth one is ulnar nerve, and the fifth one is the medial root of median nerve. So let's talk about the cutaneous nerve. Cutaneous nerves carry sensory supply to the skin of the arm and forearm, the medial side, and the medial pectoral nerve supplies the pectoralis major and minor muscles. So let's talk about the ulnar nerve. Ulnar nerve supplies the front of the forearm muscles, 1.5 muscle of the forearm in front, and the 15 intrinsic muscle of the palm. And in detail we will discuss in another video about the ulnar nerve. So the last one is the median root of median nerve. The median root of the medial nerve and the lateral root of median nerve combine to form the median nerve, which supplies the front of the forearm and the thinner eminence. So this is the brief idea of the median nerve, and for median nerve also we will discuss in detail in another video. So this is about the medial cord, posterior cord and lateral cord. So one more thing is left. The upper trunk gives a branch. Upper trunk gives 2 branches, the suprascapular nerve and nerve to subclavius. So upper trunk is the only trunk which gives the branches. So Suprascapular nerve supplies the supraspinatus and infraspinatus muscle to subclavius. It supplies the subclavius muscle. And the roots also gives the nerves called the C5. It gives a nerve called dorsal scapular nerve, which supplies the levator scapulae and the rhomboids, both rhomboids, major and minor. And C5, C6, C7 gives nerves which together unite and forms the long thoracic nerve, which supplies the serratus anterior, and this nerve is also known as the nerve to bell. So this is about the brachial plexus.